In this video, I'm going to show you how to read in data sets from your homework into StatKey. So this problem right here is in Chapter 2, Section 2 homework, exercise 167. So looking up here, we can see the full data set is called all countries, and the variable we're interested in is life expectancy. So you need to click here for the data set, and then we're going to tell it it's okay to go to that link. Now what it's going to do is it's going to actually open up all of the data sets. Well, the one that we want is all countries. So coming here, we've got all countries, and then it offers it in a variety of formats. Probably the easiest one to work with is going to be Excel. So if you click on Excel, it will download it, and then you can click to automatically open it. And remember, what we're interested in is life expectancy. So see the life expectancy column here. I'm just going to highlight it, and then I'm going to copy. Next, I'm going to go back to StatKey. So here's StatKey. This is a quantitative variable. So I'm going to click on one quantitative variable. Then I'm going to click on Edit Data. Highlight the data that's already in there and delete it. And then I'm going to paste in that data from Excel. And so here's the data pasted in. I know there's some blanks in here, don't worry about that. But one thing to notice is up here at the top it says life expectancy. That tells me that the data has a header row. Notice that we only have a single column, and that's the column with the data, so we don't need that the first column is an identifier. And if we click OK, here's a plot of the data, and then here are some summary statistics. Now, one good thing to always check is notice that it says sample size of 199. That tells you that 199 data points were read in. So looking here at the problem, now what we can do is we can look at the shape of the distribution because StatKey's made that plot for us. We can go through and find the median. So for example, we should find a median of 74. And if we look here, we do, the median rounds up to 74. And then the rest of your summary statistics are going to be there as well.